Happy birthday, Goo. Can you take off the house? Can you take out your ga so she can hear you? Thank you. Say happy birthday, Goo.
Happy birthday, Goo.
Can we sing it? Happy birthday to you. Can you help me sing? Happy birthday to Goo. Happy birthday, dear Goo. Happy birthday to Goo. Yay.
I go hold the video.
No, because Mommy's going to hold it. Because she probably wants to see you more than me. Because you are so precious and pretty. I don't think you can talk with a ga in your mouth. No, Aunt Goo's not in the car over there. That's somebody else. Aunt Goo is in Louisiana. Louisiana. There you go. Take out the ga so she can hear you. What? Oh, yes. Very good. Say we miss you. And we love you. Happy birthday. Very good. Yeah. Want to sing? Yeah? Happy birthday to you. Do you want to sing? Happy birthday to you. Do, do, do. Happy birthday to you. You're good to grow, so count the candles and blow. Happy birthday to Goo, to Goo, to Goo. Happy birthday to you, my Goo. Yay! Bye-bye, Goo. Love you. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you, sweetie. Hope it's a good day.